What if the pain from waxing wasn't coming from the wax, but from your breath? Women over 40 are learning to wax with calm, softness, and ease simply by breathing differently. This method is being used in small home studios from Nairobi to London, spa rooms in New York, and quiet bathrooms in Sydney. And it works. Stay until the end, and I'll show you the exact 3-second breathing rhythm that turns waxing from stressful into soothing. It all starts with that moment of realization. Many of us brace for pain before the wax even touches our skin. Our bodies tighten up, our breath gets short and shallow, and this tension actually makes our skin far more sensitive. But what if we could reverse that reaction? By breathing deeply and calmly, we send a powerful signal to our body. I am safe. A calm body sends fewer pain signals to the brain. This is where our story begins. The connection between breath and pain is biological, not just a mindset trick. Pain increases when the body is tense, and tension increases when our breath is shallow. Deep, intentional breathing relaxes the entire nervous system, which in turn reduces the intensity of any sensation. It's something anyone can learn, and it's especially powerful for women over 40, who often have a greater wisdom and awareness of their own bodies. To start, your environment matters. Choose a calm, warm room with soft lighting, not the bright, clinical lights of a salon. Have clean, soft towels ready for comfort. Maybe put on some light instrumental or spa music. Privacy is key because it helps reduce that subconscious body tension. When you feel safe and comfortable, your skin reacts more gently, but physical comfort is only half the story. Emotional safety comes first. Waxing is an intimate act, and our bodies remember past experiences. If you've had painful sessions before, your body might hold on to that fear. Breathing is the key to releasing that stored tension. A slow, deep inhale communicates, "This is okay. I am in control." With each calm, repeated breath, your confidence grows, and the experience transforms from something stressful into something truly nurturing. Let's practice the grounding breath. Sit up straight and place one hand on your lower belly. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly expand, not your chest. Then, exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this 5 times. You're signaling to your nervous system that it's time to relax. Now, let's talk about the wax itself. The warmth of the wax is your friend. Heat helps relax the hair follicles, opening the pores. When pores are relaxed, the hair releases more easily. There's no struggling, no sharp snapping sensation. When you pair this warmth with your calm breathing, the process becomes soothing, not alarming. It's like gently preparing your body for comfort. Technique is also crucial, and it starts with understanding hair direction. Especially in the bikini area, hair can grow in multiple directions. Applying the wax with the grain and removing it against the grain is the classic rule. A smooth, gentle technique significantly reduces that sharp sensation. And when you combine proper technique with controlled breathing, you achieve a new level of gentleness. A simple but powerful tip is to use small strips. Working in smaller sections gives you so much more control. The pull is lighter and softer, which helps you avoid those overwhelming moments. Women over 40 often tell me they prefer this gradual, mindful approach. It feels less rushed, prioritizing comfort over speed. Now, for the core of the technique, the exhale pull. Just before removing the strip, take a deep inhale and hold it for a brief moment. Then, as you pull the strip, exhale fully. This action naturally relaxes the pelvic floor. Less tightness means less sting. Clients describe the sensation as a release, not a shock. It's surprisingly gentle, slow. Intentional movements change everything. There should be no abrupt actions. Place the wax on your skin slowly. Smooth the edges with purpose. Take a breath before each and every step. Your body responds to energy cues, so calm hands create a calm physical response. The entire experience becomes rhythmic and predictable. And don't forget the support hand. While one hand pulls the strip, the other should gently stretch the skin taut. This provides stability, prevents bruising, and makes the pull cleaner and more even. It reduces that pinching sensation because the body feels secure, not startled. A supportive hand, combined with your breath, makes for a truly soothing wax. It's also important to acknowledge sensitivity without fear. Some areas are just going to feel more intense than others. That's completely normal, not a problem to be solved. When you get to those parts, simply breathe a little deeper, go a little slower, and be more intentional. You'll find that as your body learns to trust the rhythm, the sensitivity actually decreases with each session, and please, rest between pulls. There is no rush. After each pull, pause, take a full, centering breath. Let your skin relax and give your mind a second to settle. This isn't a race, it's a form of body care. Awareness and slowness are part of what makes the process so soothing. A gentle post-wax touch also signals safety. Immediately after removing a strip, press your warm, steady hand onto the skin for a few seconds. This simple act calms the nerve endings and tells your body, "You're okay," without a single word. It reduces redness and lingering sensation, creating a feeling of being cared for. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Drinking plenty of water before and after your session is like medicine for your skin. Hydrated skin is less reactive and more resilient. Moisture buffers sensitivity, helps prevent ingrown hairs, and supports soft, healthy regrowth. It's a small habit with a huge impact. Your aftercare shapes the entire memory of the experience. Apply a soothing aloe gel or a calming chamomile spray. Wear loose, comfortable clothing for the rest of the day, and avoid hot showers immediately after. Letting your skin stay cool and breathe keeps irritation low. This way, the feeling of comfort remains long after the session is over, keeping the whole experience positive. When you bring all these elements together, waxing stops being a chore or a battle. It becomes a ritual, a moment to consciously return to your body. Women over 40, in particular, often appreciate this shift the most. Mindful self-care supports our self-worth. Smooth skin isn't just a result, it's a celebration of that care. The process itself becomes nourishing. And with this, emotional confidence grows. True confidence isn't loud. It's a quiet, steady, assured feeling. When you master gentle waxing, it becomes an empowering act. Your breath restores trust in your body, and you feel more comfortable in your own skin. This quiet confidence radiates into every part of your daily life. You'll find that familiarity lowers the intensity over time. Each session gets easier as your body learns the rhythm and your breath becomes an automatic response. The sensation reduces, and waxing stops feeling like this big, scary thing. It just becomes a normal, gentle part of your routine. The fear dissolves. Remember, you are always in control. You can pause anytime you need to. You can adjust the pace. You can use your breath to reset your comfort level. You choose the rhythm. This sense of control brings peace. Peace brings softness, and softness is what makes waxing gentle. Patience is a vital part of beauty, a lesson that life often teaches us with age. Women over 40 embody a special kind of grace, and that grace can transform any experience, even waxing. When it becomes an act of self-care, and breathing becomes an act of nourishment, your body responds with incredible softness. Ultimately, your body already knows how to relax. You just need to trust its natural rhythm. The breath leads, and the body follows. A calm breath creates a calm wax. This isn't a trick. It's ancient wisdom. Your body is your partner in this, not something to fight against. And know that this experience is shared worldwide. Women in New York, Nairobi, Cape Town, London, and Sydney are all discovering this. We share the same skin, the same breath, and the same desire for gentleness. This technique transcends culture because calm is a universal language. Let your waxing be soft. Softness is a form of power, and comfort is a sign of strength. And now, as promised, here is the secret. The final breathing rhythm that makes it all work. It's simple. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold for 1 second. And exhale for 4 seconds. Use this exact rhythm during every single pull. Your body will relax almost instantly. The wax will release gently. This is the key that unlocks a soothing, peaceful waxing experience. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this helps you transform your own waxing ritual. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips on mindful self-care.